Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this video, we'll walk you through how to send approved WhatsApp messages directly from any record in your CRM, including leads, deals, tickets, cloud telephony, and other dynamic objects. Before we begin, make sure the WhatsApp add-on is activated in your account. You can enable it from the Add-ons section in the application. For detailed steps on integration, activation, and creating WhatsApp-approved templates, check out the YouTube link provided in the description. Once activated, you'll be ready to send WhatsApp messages directly from your CRM records. Let's see how to send a WhatsApp message from a lead record. Go to the Leads panel and locate the record you want to message. There are multiple ways to open the WhatsApp activity from a record. Select the record and click on Activity and click on WhatsApp. Click on the ellipsis, 3 dots, beside the record. Choose Edit and then click Activity and click on WhatsApp. Or directly select the phone number field. Click the ellipsis icon next to the number and choose WhatsApp. This instantly opens the WhatsApp activity window, a feature known as Click to WhatsApp, allowing you to message your lead in just one click. Once the WhatsApp activity window opens, you can begin configuring your message. Click on Add Activity and start by selecting the phone number on which you want to send WhatsApp message. Next, choose the template type. You'll have 2 options: New Template, to select a new WhatsApp-approved template and save it for future use. Existing Template, to use one that's already saved in your CRM. Here, we'll select New Template. When you choose New Template, 2 additional fields appear: Template Name, for example, follow-up message, WhatsApp-approved template, for example, follow-up after demo completed. Once you select your approved template, a message preview appears on the right-hand side. This allows you to review and verify the message before sending. Now that your message is ready, you can send it using one of 2 options: Save and Send. Saves the message in the CRM and sends it through WhatsApp. Send Only sends the message immediately without saving it in the CRM. After sending, you'll see a confirmation message: WhatsApp message initiated successfully. Once the message is sent, it's automatically logged under the History tab of the lead record. Click the History tab to view all WhatsApp messages associated with that lead. If the customer replies to your message, their response is automatically captured. You can view it under Activity, WhatsApp under History, and History tab for complete visibility. The same process applies across all other modules in Office 24 by 7, including deals, tickets, and calls. This ensures your team can manage all WhatsApp communications seamlessly within the CRM without switching between platforms. And that's it. You've just learned how to send approved WhatsApp messages directly from a record in Office 24 by 7. This feature helps you stay connected with your customers, track every interaction, and ensure timely communication, all in one place. Thank you for watching. Start using WhatsApp messaging in Office 24 by 7 today to enhance your customer engagement and streamline your communication process.